Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC NCERT Math. In today's video, let us solve the question number 5, which is the last question from exercise 10.4, chapter number 10, Quadratic Equations. In my previous videos, I've solved the example and questions 1 to 4 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, please find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So before we begin our video today, please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT Math. Question number 5, which is the last question from exercise 10.4, and it is also the last question for the chapter 10 Quadratic Equations, which says, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So here in the question they're asking us, is it possible to design a rectangular park? Okay, so there is a rectangular park whose perimeter is given and area is given. So we have to find its length and breadth. So there is no relation given between length and breadth here, like the question number 3 which we had solved earlier. So we have to assume the length to be x meters and breadth to be y meters initially. Okay, since they have given us the perimeter of this rectangular park, so perimeter for rectangle is given by 2 into L plus B, and the area is given here. So area of a rectangle is equal to L into B. So let us write down. Here we have assumed the length to be x meters and breadth to be y meters. So let us write down, let the of the rectangular park be x meters and the breadth of the rectangular park is y meters. Then according to the question, the perimeter is 8 meters. So what is perimeter given by 2 into L plus B? So 2 into length is x plus breadth is y is equal to 80 meters. So if we transfer this 2 to the right hand side, it will come in the division here. So x plus y is equal to 80 divided by 2. So 2 1 times 2, 40 times. So this will be x plus y is equal to 40. So here let us find out the y value by sending the x to the right hand side. So we will get y is equal to 40 minus x. Let us take this as equation 1. And the second condition what is given in the question is area is 400 meters square. So area of a rectangle is given by L into B. So length is x into breadth is y, which is equal to 400. Let this be equation 2. Now let us substitute the value of y in equation 2. So let us write down, substitute equation 1 in equation 2. So substituting the value of y in equation 2, it is 40 minus x is equal to 400. So now open the brackets here. 40 into x will be 40x minus x into x is x square is equal to 400. Now let us send these two values to the right hand side so that we can obtain a quadratic equation. So that will be minus x square will become plus x square minus 40x plus 400 is equal to 0. So here you can observe that we have obtained a quadratic equation which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to first of all find out discriminant so that we can determine the nature of roots. If the roots are greater than 0 or equal to 0, only then it is possible to design a rectangular path so that we can find out the x and y value. If the discriminant is less than 0, then we cannot find the real roots. Since there are no real roots, we will not be able to find the x and y value. So let us find out the discriminant first here, which is given by b square minus 4a into c. If you compare this quadratic equation to the standard form of a quadratic equation, we will get the a, b and c value, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 40, it's minus 40, and c is the constant, that is nothing but 400. So let us substitute the a, b and c value in the discriminant, which is equal to b square or minus 40 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into constant is again 400. So what is minus 40 square is nothing but 4 4s are 1600, okay, minus again 4 into 400, 1600. So we will obtain d value as equal to 0. So since the d value is equal to 0 here, we know that we will obtain the real and equal roots. Therefore, it is possible to design a rectangular park so that can obtain the x and y value. So write down, since d is equal to 0, the equation has real and equal roots. Therefore, the length and breadth of the rectangular park can be obtained by using the quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now let us substitute the a, b and c value so that we can find out the x value. X is equal to minus, what is b? It is minus 40 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So we have square root of b square minus 4ac we have already found out, which is equal to 0. So let us write here 0 directly divided by 2 into a value is 1. So we will get, so the minus and minus will become plus 40 divided by 2, that is nothing but 20. So we have obtained the x value is equal to 20 meters. Therefore, what was the x we had assumed initially? It is the length of the rectangular park. Therefore, length is equal to 20 meters. And now we can find out the breadth, that is the y value, that is here in substituting in equation 1 where y is equal to 40 minus x. Okay, so y is equal to 40 minus x, that is equal to 40 minus x value is 20, y is also 20. Therefore, we can write breadth is equal to again 20 meters. So therefore, let us write down the length and breadth of the rectangular park is, the length and breadth of rectangular park is 20 and 20 meters respectively. Only if d value is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then we can obtain the real roots. If d value is less than 0, then there will be imaginary roots, then it will not be possible to find out the values of length and breadth. So finding the discriminant value is very important in these types of questions first. After that, we can solve the quadratic equation if the real roots are possible. So this is how we solve this problem. If you have any doubts, please comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be starting with an important chapter, that is chapter 2, triangles. So till then, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.